Living flame, number 6. Cast the net. This is the command of Jesus to his disciples, who again is filled with disappointment because they did not catch anything that night. This is the second time around that Jesus persuades them, cast the net. But the context is different. This is after the death of Jesus in Jerusalem. And the disciples are back to where they started. They're back to Galilee. Bumalik sa Galilea at nangisda ulit. In John chapter 21, he tells us, Jesus revealed himself again to his disciples at the Sea of Tiberias. And he revealed himself in this way. So they were fishing, they caught nothing, and then suddenly there was someone who told them, after being disappointed for an overnight fishing that did not have any result, Jesus said to them, cast the net over the right side of the boat, and you will find something. So they cast it, and were not able to pull it in because of the number of fish. So the disciple whom Jesus loved said to Peter, it is the Lord. Cast the net once again, and you will see it is the Lord. A beautiful reminder to all of us this Easter season. The time and again in our life, we are disappointed because all our efforts are not bearing fruit. Marami po sa atin ay sumusuko kapag nabibigo, kapag hindi nagiging matagumpay ang ating mga ginagawa, ang ating mga proyekto. Ang ating mga pangarap minsan ay naaantala at hindi nararating. Sa mga panahong ito, kaliwat kanan ng mga graduation, at maraming mga kabataan, mga estudyante, mag-aaral lang. Siguro hindi natutuwa dahil una, hindi sila ang summa cum laude or hindi sila nag-graduate with honors. Marami sigurong magulang ay nagtatampo o kaya nagagalit sa mga teacher sabagat hindi binigyan ng award ang kanilang anak. At hindi lang basta sa panahon ng graduation, ang eleksyon din ay nasa ating paligid na. At madalas sa hindi, sa ating kultura mga Pilipino, wala namang natatalo sa eleksyon, nadadaya lamang. Walang tumatanggap ng talo. Laging may dahilan. The Lord tells us that we should not allow our failures to eliminate our hope. We should not allow our disappointments to take away our desire to do better next time. Life is a journey. Life is a pilgrimage. We have to cast the net over and over again until we finally have a catch. The Lord is telling us today, do not give up. I am alive. I am here with you. Sometimes we are fishing in the wrong sea or the wrong river. Maybe it's not really the net. Sometimes it's not also the sea. Maybe it's also the boat. Or maybe it's also the style of fishing. Who knows? There are many reasons for failure, but we cannot allow failure to dominate our lives as if we are always failing and never really succeeding. Siguro sa inyo po na nasa social media, lagi niyo pong narinig yung viral video na ito ng isang sumakses. Lagi tayo nakakarinig ng sumakses si ate. Palagay ko ganun din ang hamon sa atin. Sumasukses din tayo. Kailangan lamang magtiyaga. At kailangan lang din maging bukas sa mga payo o direksyon sa atin na binibigay. Sometimes, we can be very stubborn. We do things over and over again, expecting a different outcome or result. When in fact, if we could be humble like the disciples in our gospel today, they were fishermen and they were listening to a stranger. How could they? Why did they obey the stranger? If you were in the place of Peter, who were an expert fisherman, Peter and the other disciples. And yet they listened somehow to the stranger, to someone they did not recognize, but they were humble enough to accept. Okay, we will try again. We will cast the net and we will succeed. Brothers and sisters, Easter tells us, pwedeng sumakses ang isang taong bigo. Happy Easter!